Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marcy and you are watching Mixed with Marcy. In today's video, I will be doing a few DIYs for my beauty room. We will first start by routing and staining the desk that I made from scrap wood. So we normally have a lot of extra wood laying around, but sometimes it's not enough to perfectly fit a design. But this specific time I was able to create a project out of the wood laying around. So you can see that I'm using a gray stain, and I also used a lacquer and a rag or a towel to rub the stain and spread it around so that you can still see the wood grains. Now I'm using painter's tape to map out a design that I would like to paint, mainly on the top of my desk. So now I'm taping off the sides so that it doesn't run down the sides of the desk. I want to keep it at the top. Now that I have it all marked up, we could begin painting. This paint is a scratch resistant, stain resistant as well, made by Behr. This is a recycled paint. Well, all of these colors that I'm using today are recycled, so I did not come out of pocket to create this project or to complete this project. So I am freehanding. I do not have a real mapped out idea of what I'm trying to get, but you'll see that it did turn out pretty good. Here's my little helper, Mr. Cool Kid Zay. You guys go and check out their video, Growing Up Cool Kids, on YouTube. I'll put a link below. But now that we're gonna just finish this up, and then we're going to slide on over to the beauty room and see what's going on inside. So you can see I'm cleaning up this area. I want to completely remove the mirror and put it on the other side of the room. I did have a little trouble trying to hang it up, but she got it done. So now we're moving the vanity lights, installing those. And now let's check out this mirror. So a little backstory about this mirror. This mirror was previously a bathroom mirror, but it is now being used as my beauty room mirror for almost, I'll say, going on 2 years now. It did have like some stress areas around the frame that made it appear a little ugly, I ain't gonna lie, but I did want to give it a facelift and turn it into this beautiful blue, purple, and glittery galaxy frame, and I'm loving it. So now that that is drying, we're going to remove this hanging shelf and clear up this wall. I do have plans to paint this wall eventually, but not today. So we're going to see, where do we want to hang this curtain? This curtain was previously used as a backdrop for my wigs and for my products, but I guess we'll get back to that. This is another DIY project right here from scrap wood, the same scrap wood that I used to create my desk. And I decided to make a shelf, like a little display shelf for all of my items that I frequently use, such as my sewing machine, my mannequin heads, and whatnot. Now we're gonna clean this room out. We're gonna take everything out. I'm really not sure what's going on with my monitor screen right there, but yeah, that was weird. So I'm going to clean this room out. I'm gonna take everything out of this room so that I can try and really get a clear visual of where I want everything to go, because with the clutter and with so much in there, it was very hard to envision or to see the vision of what I wanted my room to look like. This room basically got cluttered and packed down when we were having the work done in the house. So we had to move everything in each room, blah, blah, blah. But as you can see right here in this clip, I'm trying to move things in different areas. I moved the couch to one side of the room. See, it was too bulky over there though, so I decided to move it. And this curtain was a little bit too small for the window, but it stretches. So we're gonna put that on the window. I really love the holographic look, the purple, the pink, the blue, all of those funky colors. While we sit here, you can see that, you know, the frame, the mirror is now up. The frame, in a way, kind of matches the window cover now. Hey guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I just wanted to stop in, say thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I am still in the middle of trying to put this room together, but I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to check out my video. So please excuse this mess. I am still working on it. And let's get back to the video. So now that I have it figured out that I want this shelf to go on this wall and everything else to go where it's going, I am mounting the shelf to the wall so that it can be secure, especially due to the weight that will be on this shelf, such as my sewing machine, my product bottles, and whatnot. But I also love the fact that the position that my camera is in right now is a position that I will be filming for future YouTube videos. So I do love the fact that you can clearly and easily see everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned to part 2 because I am not done.